Let's learn how to check if someone is on another call on WhatsApp. So before we start, you need to know that you can't really check if someone is on another call on WhatsApp if you don't call that person. So you will have to call that person and you will have to leave the phone ringing to know that if that person is available or busy at that moment. So we will have to open our WhatsApp application, go to the chat with that person you want to check if he is or she is on a call, and just click on call button. They are on another call, but if it stays ringing till the end of the call, that means that person is not on another call and they are available. There is no other way you can check it if you are not in call with that person. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.